In terms of growth driver, we expect domestic demand to remain the main driver of growth in 2025 and 2026. Consumption will be supported by tight labor market and wage growth, while investment will be supported by especially public investment, particularly those funded by EU funds, while for private investment will take a bit longer, as when the uncertainty will decline. In terms of exports in 2025, there have been a drag on growth, clearly reflecting the weakness in German manufacturing and the impact the tariffs. In 2026, we will have some improvements also on this side. In terms of risk and opportunities, one important opportunity is the large fiscal stimulus which has been announced as being implemented in Germany. It's very large, over 100 billion, more than 100 billion per year, focusing on the defense sector and infrastructure. This clearly will have significant implications for growth for Germany, but also spillovers to Europe and all the main trading partners, therefore including Central and Eastern Europe. For Germany, we see growth picking up for close to zero this year to above 1% next year, thanks to that. This is clearly an important opportunity for Europe, for the rest of the region. In terms of risks, we have seen so far that the Eurozone economy has held up quite well, actually better than expected. There is still uncertainty about the full impact on tariffs. So if the impact of tariff in the next quarter will increase, then it will have repercussions also of the region and all the labor market. However, as I mentioned, 2026 we will have the fiscal stimulus, which might mitigate this negative impact.
Interes za sklade One Markets v Sloveniji trenutno presega pričakovanja. Čeprav smo jih uvedli šele junija, opažamo, da vlagatelji cenijo predvsem to, da imajo prvič neposreden dostop do svetovnih imen BlackRock, JP Morgan, Fidelity in drugih. Gre za upravljalce, ki sami od sebe na dvomilijonski trg ne bi prišli. Zdaj pa so dosegljivi tudi našim vlagateljem. Zdaj, ključna prednost One Markets je odprta arhitektura. V eni sami platformi združuje 8 globalnih upravljalcev, ki v teh skladih upravljajo več kot 18 milijard evrov premoženja. Če dam primer, to je kot da bi manjši slovenski orkester nenadoma dobil možnost igrati z najboljšimi dirigenti sveta. Takšne kakovosti do sedaj na slovenskem trgu nismo imeli. Trenutno so to predvsem posamezniki, ki iščejo dolgoročne rešitve in dostop do globalnih trgov. Največ zanimanja je za delniške sklade, saj ti dolgoročno ponujajo največji potencial rasti ob upoštevanju, da predstavljajo tudi največja tveganja. Možnosti vidimo tudi pri slovenskih podjetjih, ki imajo 11 milijard evrov presežkov naloženih na bančnih računih. Z One Markets, obvezniškimi skladi, lahko ta sredstva aktivirajo fleksibilno, pregledno in s primerno likvidnostjo. Pod črto, One Markets daje možnost slovenskim vlagateljem, da sedijo za isto mizo kot največji igralci svetovnih trgov.